Are you looking in today's DIY-driven world? Heat press machines have become essential tools for hobbyists, small business owners, and aspiring t-shirt entrepreneurs. Whether you're pressing custom tees, tote bags, or hoodies, the demand for affordable, high-quality machines continues to rise. This guide explores the best budget heat press machines under $300. List number: Signature Pro 15 by 15 slide-out drawer heat press. Auto open with sure pressure. The Signature Pro 15 by 15 is a powerhouse in a compact body, offering premium features that are rare in budget machines. Its auto open functionality prevents scorching your materials and frees you up to multitask. The slide-out drawer design adds a layer of safety and convenience, allowing for easy placement and removal of garments. What truly sets this model apart is the short pressure technology, which ensures even, consistent pressure throughout the platen. Heat distribution is even, making it ideal for both sublimation and HTV transfers. Whether you're making shirts for fun or starting a small Etsy shop, the Signature Pro List number press heat press 16 by 20. If you're looking for a larger platen without breaking the bank, the M-Press 16 by 20 heat press is a fantastic choice. Its generous size accommodates larger designs, which is especially useful for hoodies and bulk t-shirt orders. The industrial-grade pressure and easy-to-use control panel make it ideal for beginners and intermediate users. Temperature control is reliable, and it heats up quickly and evenly. Despite its large footprint, it remains surprisingly affordable. This model skips flashy features in favor of pure performance and durability, making it perfect for high-volume, budget-conscious creators. List number: HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 Heat Press Machine for T-shirts. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 stands out as one of the most advanced machines under $300. It's fully automatic. Just place your shirt, select your settings, and the machine does the rest. It offers the adjustable pressure, allowing for precise customization, and can handle thicker garments or layered transfers with ease. The newly improved, higher heating height is a big bonus for working with different fabric types and projects. It also heats evenly across the surface, giving pro-level results with minimal effort. Great for users who want automation without the premium price. List more: HTVRONT Heat Press Machine 15 by 15 Swing Away Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Swing Away Heat Press adds flexibility to your workspace. With a swing-away design, this machine allows for safer and easier garment placement, which reduces the risk of burns. Its 15 by 15-inch platen is the sweet spot for standard shirt designs and heat transfer vinyl projects. You get precise pressure adjustments and consistent heat across the platen. Despite its professional features, it remains lightweight and user-friendly, making it a top pick for hobbyists looking for pro-level results. The swing-away arm also makes it ideal for sublimation or other applications that require firm pressure from directly above. List number: HTVRONT Heat Press Machine for T-shirts 15 by 15 Fast heating and even heat distribution. This HTVRONT 15 by 15 heat press is one of the most popular budget heat press machines on Amazon for a reason. With rapid heat up, even heat distribution, and durable construction, it's a workhorse for beginners and casual users. It's easy to operate with a user-friendly control panel and provides consistently strong results. This model doesn't have automatic features, but its simplicity makes it dependable. Whether you're customizing shirts for friends or selling designs online, this heat press offers excellent value for under $300.